You know that feeling when you discover a place and instantly realize it's about to become your favorite hangout. That's exactly what happened when I stumbled upon this amazing Chinese restaurant right here in Phnom Penh, Cambodia. It's cozy, relaxed, and packed with everything I've been craving in authentic Chinese food. Let's talk about their menu because it's huge. We're talking about a variety that will make your head spin in the best possible way. From dim sum classics like shrimp dumplings to stir-fried dishes, soups, noodles, and even clay pot rice. There's something for every mood and every craving. Whether you're in the mood for something light or feeling like a feast, this place has got you covered. Now, one of my absolute favorites is the shrimp dim sum. Every bite is a little bundle of joy. Juicy, tender shrimp wrapped in a soft, perfectly cooked layer. The flavors are delicate but so satisfying, and trust me, when you pair it with the amazing condiments, soy sauce, tangy chili oil, and even their house-made dips, it's next level good. And then there's the chicken stir fry with fresh, crisp vegetables. It's served piping hot, packed with bold, savory flavors and perfectly paired with the fluffy clay pot rice. The rice absorbs all those amazing juices from the stir fry, creating the most comforting, satisfying bite. Honestly, I've already made it my go-to order. But it's not just the food that's got me hooked. It's the whole vibe of this place. It's got this relaxed, cozy atmosphere where you can just kick back and enjoy your meal. The kind of spot where time slows down and you can really savor the experience. Whether you're dining solo, meeting up with friends, or just looking for a little escape from the busyness of life, this place feels like home. And I have to mention the staff. They're so friendly and welcoming, always ready to help you navigate the menu if you're feeling overwhelmed by the options. And there are lots of options. Now, one of my favorite moments has to be sitting there with a steaming plate of dim sum in front of me, chopsticks in hand, and just diving in. There's something so satisfying about the whole experience. So if you're in Phnom Penh and looking for an amazing Chinese spot, trust me, this is it. The big menu, cozy setting, the friendly staff, and the incredible food. It's the full package. I can already tell this is going to be my go-to hangout. And who knows, it might just become yours too. So, when are you visiting Phnom Penh, Cambodia? I hope to see you there.